Class, welcome to VPSC Learning again. I am your English teacher Madhurika Dwivedi. Class, as we have started chapter number 3 in our language books, chapter models. Now we have completed about will and shall. Now we will discuss about the rules of how to use should, can, could and would in the sentence. And after that, tomorrow we will learn about use of may, might and other models, and then we will start doing exercises. So watch the video carefully class and learn how to use models in the sentence. Yes class. Use of should. Should is used Should is used to show duty, to show duty, give or seek an advice, disapproval or a negative purpose after list. So class, should is used to express duty or obligation. For example, he should not quarrel with his brother. We should keep our promise. And duty in the past is expected by should have. Means if we are talking about our duty in the past time, we have to use should have. You should have attended the lecture. In negative sense, you should not have. Shouldn't means you should not have misbehaved at the function. Now disapproval, to deny, to disagree with something. You shouldn't have behaved so disrespectfully. He ran so fast lest he should miss the train. Possibility and likelihood. I should be able to win. So this is the use of, we also use should to wish. As I should like to know what is Nalini planning to do after 12. Now use of would. Would is used for wish. I would like to see the painting. To indicate refusal, the car wouldn't start, no matter how hard we tried. To express determination, we should have this way. To accept willingness, she said that she would help. In the polite speech also, would you mind helping me to lift the box? And to show past habits of some person, old grandmother would sit for hours in the armchair. To denote condition or uncertainty. For example, I would attend the party if I was invited. Means if someone invited me, only then I will attend the party. Now use of can and could. Can is used to express ability. Means I am able to do something, or some person is able to do anything. For example, she can live on fruits alone. She can drive a car. To express possibility, you can appear for this entrance for exam from Bhopal. To express power, I can beat you in the race. Means I am able to do. Means can means is able to do something. To express permission, can I go to see a movie? Then to mean I have the right to. You can get the book issued from the library. And this is very common use models in the English language. And now could. Could is used as the past form of can and in different other way. Could is used to express ability that exists in the past. Even as a child, she could sing well. As a past tense of can is indirect speech. We use can in indirect speech of she said that she couldn't help me. Then to express past time, we could travel the whole day. I did everything I could to help. Now to express possibility, you could have fallen into a ditch. to ask polite question. Could you lend me some money? Could you lend me some money? So class, this was the use of may. This was the use of can, could and should, would. And exercise number B and exercise number C, you have to fill in book. At the end of the period, I will send the answer of exercise number A, B and C. Then you have to match your answer. First you have to do it yourself, then you have to match your answer with the given answer sheet.